Today, we have an amazing tutorial on how to import a UDP request config on Socksip Tunnel. For more VPN updates and hidden tricks, please visit our blog. Please support us by clicking on the like and subscribe button. Let's get started. Now we need the required UDP request file. To find it, go to your browser and search for UDP and slow DNS files. Look for the official link in the search results and click on it. Once you've reached the website's homepage, click the hamburger icon at the top left corner to expand the menu. Select UDP config. A small window will open. Click on UDP request. Now the page is open. Countdown of 10 seconds is start once it finished. Download button show you click on it. A page will open with a list of UDP request configs. Choose the latest one and click on it. The download page will open. Click the download button, and in a few seconds, the file will download to your device. Once the file is downloaded, we need the latest version of the Socksip Tunnel app. First, go to your device's Play Store and search for Socksip Tunnel. Find it in the search results and click on it, then click the Install button and open it. You've now reached the app's homepage. At the top 3 dots of the homepage, click a small window will open. Click the Import/Export button. Small window is open. Click Import button to process details. This will open your device's download folder. Find the Socksip Tunnel file you downloaded earlier from the website. In a few seconds, the file will be successfully imported. Once the file is imported, click the Start button. In a few seconds, your VPN will connect, providing you with a fast and secure web browsing experience. There you have it. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it. Thanks for watching.